Hey guys, how are you doing? I have with me an avocado sapling, I would call. This is something I've started growing not more than 6 months ago, probably around February. As you can see, some of the other avocado plants that I have also grown to various sizes. They're also of different ages, and that's a tomato plant. We'll not talk about that for now. So the challenge I have right now is that this particular avocado sapling has been in this repurposed protein bottle, protein container, for probably a lot more than it should have been. So this is one of the faster growing varieties. I don't know the name of it, but this is from a grocery store. One half of it was chewed off by a rodent, squirrel probably. um, so this is one of the larger varieties. Its growth pace also has been pretty fast. I'm going to look up and see if I can update the exact species name, but my interest is to just have it grow and then maybe I can graft it. So as I speak now, it's been in this container for at least a good 6 months now. Been growing very fast, unlike some other varieties like this one. Has been uh, to only about three-fourths the height of the one that I'm talking about for about a year and a half now. Both these saplings. So anyway, so this is outgrowing its container. So I'm gonna transplant it from this one, you can see, to something slightly bigger. Not a more permanent solution, but I'm going to do that all the same. So I padded it with some of the um, soil that I need uh, to make up for the extra volume. I've also noticed that the soil is pretty damp, so I'm guessing I'm going to have to water it less frequently. Actually, I just watered it about half an hour ago, so I mean, needless to say, it's going to be a little damp. Okay, so a specific problem that I have right now, which I'm going to discuss, is that the roots, when I took out the sapling from its container, uh, seem to be stuck in a loop. So I'm going to have to cut it. But also, if you notice, we have some um, very light looking roots, and these are live, and the ones which are darker, like you see these dark brown or darker brown shade roots, are not quite live, or probably about to die, and there's more inside if you look at it. So what I'm going to do is to first of all break the loop, trim some roots. The roots otherwise look pretty thick and healthy actually. So it's not like the plant is going to die or was going to die if I just left it here for another 2-3 months. But it's a good thing that I also um, wanted to do this, because it seemed like the growth suddenly stopped for about 2-3 weeks. There's no visible growth, and so it's a good thing that I noticed this. So that's what I'm going to do now.